Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Crown Rig Auto. If you guys watched my last episode, I went to the auction and I bought this fully equipped San Francisco Fire Rescue ambulance. Now this is a 1999 Ford F450. And look, it came with this marvelous artwork. I think this was abandoned somewhere or something, I don't know. So we're gonna search it. We're gonna see what was left behind inside. I'm gonna show you guys the inside and everything, but I bought it so I can do skits in it, you know, for District 76 police, but it took a crap on me already. This is a diesel, and when I started it, look, see, I got the chains. I had to drag it over here with the Caltrans truck. When I started it, the diesel was spilling out like super bad, and then I tried patching it up and starting it again, and it just would not start. And then I noticed this paper right here. It says warning light is on, reading engine needs service now, battery constantly dead and needs a jump. So there's a huge power drain in here somewhere. Oh hey, look, they're nice enough to leave us a surprise. It's got the emergency lights on here, got the CPI siren speakers right here. Look at that, there's two of them. Those are valuable. And we have a MX 7000 by Code 3. That's pretty valuable. These things are valuable. There's also this rear light bar right here. It's also by Code 3. Look at their awesome, cool logo. Love it. Man, I'm just thinking, like, how many lives were saved in this thing? How many people actually died in this thing? That's crazy, man. If anything, this thing is probably haunted. I don't even want to think about that because we're gonna go in there. Okay, let's search this thing, see what was left behind. Let's see, right here seems to be some type of LED light. Yep, LED dome light. There's two of them. Oh cool, there's gloves. Definitely gonna be putting those on right now. Okay, never mind the glove. These things are way too small. I can't even open my hand. I'm just gonna have to risk it for that biscuit. Let's see here, towel, cat tourniquet. You find these all over these ambulances. Just needs the case, a flare. Oh, if I find the cap, I'm gonna light this up. Ambulance flasher. All right, nothing in here. Worst case, I could part this out and then I could use the box for storage. And what is this? This is one of those things you put in somebody's mouth. You squeeze for air. Battery compartment. There's like 4 Optima batteries here. They're all dead. All right, let's search the interior. Shaving cream, eye wash, and a mini little Tabasco bottle. You can't go wrong with the little Tabasco bottle. Holy smokes, it's smoky and windy out there. Crazy. Let me turn on my light here. Crazy spaceship looking light. So there's a Motorola Astro here. Looks like the idiots who decommissioned this cut this right there. So stupid. And then there's a speaker down there that goes with it. Yeah, I don't know what that is. I actually have the siren controller here. I just don't remember where I put it at. It might be in the back. And then there's all these buttons. What's killing the battery for sure. There's some sort of vest here. It is a super heavy weighted vest. It's wet. For a quick second, I thought these were magazines, but these are weights. Either this is for exercise or it's not for exercise. Let's look in here. How lucky would I get if I found a gun in an ambulance? Septic spray. It's like one of those little measure thingies. All right, so I was rudely interrupted by a curious creature. Ooh, camera. We're gonna have to check this later. Oh, I'd be scared to even see what the hell's on that thing. Oh, look, a little speaker back here. Little operating permit. Uh-oh, 730 Ebola. Holy crap. Maybe I should put those gloves on after all. Here's the Kenwood mic. Cool. Goes to that right there. All right, now let's get in the back. Look at all that wiring. Of course the batteries are dying. AC unit. Emergency response book. San Francisco map. Compartments here to store different stuff. Oh, this is a gurney. If it wasn't so cold, I'd probably put it on. In here, there's like restraints to hold patients down. It's like limb restraints, whole body restraints. So these are, you see this? This is a complete medical isolation kit with the shoe cover. I mean, look at all that. It's got the gloves, goggles, all that stuff. There's a few of them here. Here's a quarter towards my triple shot espresso. Some oxygen tank fittings. Biohazard bags. Okay, it's really raining now. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get this thing back to where it was parked at because it broke down. And I'm gonna have to pull it by myself somehow. I gotta figure it out. I'm gonna go look for somebody at the yard, see if they can help me. Okay, so I found somebody here in the shop that's gonna help me take it out back to the parking spot. We're gonna try and do like a U-turn right here. Let's see how this goes. Wish me luck. First, I'm gonna push it back. Okay, I just tapped it, I'm pushing it. Now, let's go forward. Now it's really tight, so I should be able to make a U-turn right here. And I think it's a success. Stupid ambulance had a breakdown on me. Okay, hold on, something happened. Oh no. Okay, so I got it over to the tire now. So we shall try again. So far so good. Man, today's been such a crappy day. Okay, so now I gotta push it into the parking space. Here we go. I just hit something. Ooh, we hit the Crown Vic. All right, great success. Look at that. That is an amazing parking job. Look at this thing. Rest in peace to this 08 Ford Crown Vic. Look at this. Holy smokes. Wow. Wow. That is the computer. Was the computer. It's more like a chip now. Wow. Holy smokes.
You know what?
Yeah, so look at this. Holy smokes. I think I have a theory about what happened here. I think the guy tried to do his own tune-up.
The whole piece.
It's the windshield wiper.
The whole windshield wiper.
Yeah. Yeah, this is crazy. Well, my theory is that he tried to do his own tune-up and didn't put the injectors back on right, so the fuel kept leaking. Well, this thing had to get sawed off. See that? Sawed off like this. Good job, the fire department. Please be a biscuit. Thank you everybody out there wishing for me to find a biscuit. I really appreciate it. Let's see if I can find one in here. Look, a record player. And she's off to the yard. Yeah, he knows. And we're gonna bring her back to normal. We're gonna bring her back to life.